So I had perfect vision my whole life. I was literally 20/10. And I always saw better than my friends. I could see further. I could see perfect up close. And I was naive enough to think, because I was an eye doctor, I wasn't going to get this presbyopia thing where you needed reading glasses in your 40s. Ha, joke's on me. So my mid-40s, I began to have trouble to read and needed reading glasses, and it was just so troublesome. It really made me feel older and pretty much hated them, hated those reading glasses. I tried some contact lenses to do blended vision where my non-dominant eye could read, and the solution was reasonably good, but I always was aware of that contact lens in my eye. Some people do great with contacts. There was no time when I didn't feel it every single blink. So once I was sure that it was working, I had Lasik when I was almost 50 to give myself reading vision, or more reading vision, in my left eye. And boy, did that turn out great. I mean, my worst day with Lasik was so much better than my best day with a contact lens in my eye. And here I am, way older, and it still works great. So one of the best things I ever did.